There's so much water, it's coming out of the gutter. It almost lifted the manhole. Look at that, it's like lifting. Yeah, it's like coming off the ground almost. Wow, we got a foot of water here. Wow. Water's so deep over there, everybody's driving on the... Look, they're coming over here. Holy. That's like at least a foot deep. Yeah, but all this is plastic.
Wow, look at that. Drain.
That's so
Sprinkling, but not really raining too hard. But the runoff is still, it's still going pretty strong.